We began to Patriji. And ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ there are two things. ಒಂದು, ನೀನು ಏನೇ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು, whatever you learn, unless it is given, it is not useful. Okay. So, I was talking to sir. ಈಗ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, you sharpen the pencil, but some people are go on sharpening the pencil. They never used it. So our concept ಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತು just I thought I'll give some of my views. I met so many people. They go from pillar to post, attend so many lectures, go see lot of things, ಎಲ್ಲ collect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. So they are something called kutuhala, information mongers. Information mongers. They are called as kutuhalis. Information, internet, YouTube, all. I also see, including, this is probably including me. Okay, I'm not excluding myself. So we are somewhere gathering knowledge, skill, a positive attitude I have. I'm very good in my speaking. All that is okay, fine. You have learned. Like how I have learned public speaking for 15 years. Yes, it's not an ordinary time. At the cost of our business, at the cost of our personal life. But now it is giving results. When we are young, we did that adventure. Definitely it is coming handy now. Okay. So we do it with so easily, these meetings. ಈ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀರು ಕುಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. 100 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. If 10 people are there, I am not happy. If 10 good people are there, I am most happy. Instead of having 100 non-serious people, what do you do with them? So those attitudes you have to. So ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲೋ go on sharpening, you end up only sharpening. You are not useful. ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳೋದ್ರೆ, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ವಿ ಡೂ ದಟ್ 1 hour meditation, 45 minutes meditation, satsanga. So you do that, but I myself participate in others. Okay, not that I am only a teacher. I also learn. I also go to other places. I also learn from outside, source. There is no end for learning, lifelong learning. But ಕೆಲವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. No, Patriji never said that. So when I said that whatever you know, release to book. Up to that point, 2012 ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮೇ ಬಿ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ if I write, I laugh at the very book itself. I will laugh at it because the consciousness was maybe different. Maybe I would have increased. So leave it. By that 10 years you may write 10th book. Maybe the 11th book will be the best book. Okay. So in that fashion I have told so many people to write a book, including Prabhakar. Okay. Suresh Kamath, Timmaynor idare. They are the people with immense knowledge. A lot of concepts they have to change. So I am working on my third book. ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರೂ ತುಳಿಯದ ಹಾದಿ ಅಂತ. ಯಾರೂ ತುಳಿಯದ ಹಾದಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೈ BE. ಐ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಎ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ಯಾರೂ ತುಳಿಯದ ಹಾದಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಪಾತ್ nobody has traveled. There was a book by that name. There is nothing correction to that. ಅಮೋಘ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ 7 ಸೂತ್ರಗಳು. I just thought I'd share with you. You can see this. This is a tree, ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮರ. ಇದು roots. Okay. What it shows here is ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ. That means personal effectiveness. You need to be personally effective if you want to be successful. And on top, what you see is ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಇತರರೊಡನೆ ಇರುವ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ. How best you are good in that. Interpersonal effectiveness. Okay, interpersonal relations. Not only good with your own self, how is good? It starts with something like pragati parate irಬೇಕು, progressive attitude irಬೇಕು. First of all, even in a negative failure, you see positive things. It's an experience. The second one is ಗುರಿಗಳು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪಗಳಾಗಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಅರುಣ್, ಗುರಿಗಳು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪಗಳಾಗಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಟ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಈ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಟು ಡೂ ವಾಟ್? ಆ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಧ್ಯೇಯ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಟು ದಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ wants to do big things in life. If he says logically I want to become successful in whatever film land or TV, he will not. By doing that, what you can do? ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It has got a highest power. Ordinary goal, I want to do MBBS. After doing what you want to do? I want to open a center. 11th year I am running this. How much of money I have spent? I am really happy I have spent some money. I have got so much of good friends. I have earned a lot of things. Good friends. So every goal need not be constructing a house, will be for your good of the family, welfare of the family anta ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು why you want a car? Like a child, you should not go on the road, you should not get drenched in the rain. That's why you want a car. Got it? So why we treat it as only goal? So you remove that goal, it should become a vision. That is the second. And the last is the third one is the personal effectiveness. How you treat time. Time. You become a slave to the time, but you forget human beings. You forget human relations. You forget, instead of focusing on good relations and producing results, you are only strict on time. You lose your effectiveness. So these are the different chapters which I am working on, the second book. And interpersonal effectiveness ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the fourth one is ಸಂಸಾರ, ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಗೌರವವಿರುವುದು. ಅಂದರೆ in your family, in your organization, in society, if you have mutual respect, you will be effective. Okay? The fifth one is ಮಾತು ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಮೌನ ಬಂಗಾರ. That's the sixth sutra. Okay? If somebody thinks that I know how to speak, that is not all. You should know how to be silent also. Okay? See, that is about meditation. That is about adhyatmika. That is about knowing yourself. That is about listening. You should be a good listener also, if you want to be a good speaker. Okay? And the sixth and the last is Maitreya Bhava ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Maitreya Bhava ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is Maitreya Bhava? It is simple teamwork. If I want to be successful in my team, I may differ. ಈ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay? I may differ with him in some aspect. My way of thinking, he may not agree. His way of thinking, I may not agree. But I should accept it. Yes, he is right in his own way. I am right in my own way. Let us respect the differences. The moment you respect the differences, your relationship, Maitreya Bhava, rather highest, you have to practice. Not ordinary Maitreya Bhava. No. If you practice the Maitreya Bhava, you practice at the level of Buddha or Patanjali. Okay? And that whatever failure, whatever miscommunication, you will not take it too much into your head. You will leave it. Okay? Some confusion has happened, leave it. Okay? You will not take it to the hilt. Personalize it. No. He is criticizing me personally. You see so many politicians on ಸೈದ್ಧಾಂತಿಕ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯನ್ನು criticize ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. They take it personally. One photo removes. It is a personal agenda. Okay? It did not have happened. Okay? It's a personal agenda. He made it public. It become a political statement. What happened afterwards? He got it nicely for that. So you should not take your differences too much. And last sutra, ಬದುಕೋದು ಕಲೀರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಈ 6 ಸತ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು 6 ಸೂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ you'll get the fruits. Okay. So this is the concept which I am working for last how many years? Just imagine, I am working for this on 17 years. Okay. I'm working for last 17 years. And still I am working. I thought this is enough. I waited enough. I should release this to the world. And yesterday I decided. Today I showed it to sir, and I am sure by next May I am going to cross a very, very important. May 22nd is my birthday. Okay. Anybody guess you know my age
40,
on that day?
49.
How you know?
You said by 16 years you started practicing meditation and 32 years I have been
Yeah. I'll be 49 agoitalla. 50. Do I look like that? I don't know. I don't think I look like that because thanks to my Maitreya Bhava Helkotid Patriji, okay, you began to him and Buddha. So, friends,